Today, we are making peppermint chocolate chips confetti cookies. They are soft on the center, lightly crisp on the edges, and very easy to make. Welcome to day 3 of my Christmas recipe series, where I'm sharing easy, fun and festive recipes you can make at home during the holidays. I start by creaming my softened butter with sugar until everything is well combined and smooth. Next, I add 1 egg and mix it in very well. If you are seeing this video for the first time, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I share recipes that are quick and easy to make, so please support me by subscribing and turning on your notification bell. Thank you. After mixing the egg, I add in a little peppermint flavor so that it doesn't overpower the taste. I give it a good mix and then I set it aside. In another bowl, I combine my already sifted flour, baking soda and salt and give it a good mix. Then I gradually transfer my dry ingredients into my butter and sugar mixture and mix until everything is fully incorporated. Do not overmix, just mix until everything is combined. The full list of ingredients will be in the description box and pinned in the comments. Please check it out. I add in the confetti sprinkles and gently mix them into the dough. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Please like, share and drop your comments. Thank you. After mixing in the sprinkles, then I add the chocolate chips and mix again until they are evenly distributed. If you have watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Once the dough is ready, I scoop it and roll it into small balls and place them onto a lined baking tray. If you are enjoying this Christmas recipe series, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next recipe. Then I top it up with some more sprinkles and chocolate chips. Before baking, I chill the cookie dough in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This step is important because it helps the cookies hold their shape and bake evenly. After chilling, I transfer the tray into my preheated oven and bake at 170 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. You want them to look set around the edges but still soft in the center. As they cool, they firm up slightly but stay beautifully soft inside. These cookies are perfect for Christmas as a gift or simply enjoying at home with families. Thanks for watching and I will see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye.